Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series. Today, we are going to use Wix's built in tools to create a simple email sign up pop up that will help you grow your client list. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to the plus button, then go to Interactive. Now go to the Subscribe category and select a pop up template that you'd like to use. Drag and drop your chosen template onto your page and once added, you will enter the pop-up mode. You can then start editing the contents of your lightbox. Start with your text. Input what you want to input here. The content will depend on you. The same goes for your brief description. If you want to edit your form's design, click on it and click on Design. Select a form layout that you want to use. And to further customize your selected layout, click on Customize Design and customize its input field, submit button, and form background. Now for the image, simply click on it and click on Change Image. And under Site Files, select your own image that you'd like to feature on your pop-up. If you also want to change the background color of your pop-up, click on the background itself and click on Change Background. Then select a color, image, or video of your choice. Great, so we're done with the designing part. Now, let's set up its trigger. Click on your entire pop-up and select Set Triggers. What's the pop-up's name? You can edit it here. Automatically display pop-up on pages. Make sure to select Yes. Which page is it on? I'd like to have it on my home page, but if you want to display it on a different page instead, click on it and select the page where you want it to be displayed. And then you can also adjust its delay and set up other settings here according to your preferences. Once you're done, review everything to make sure there are no mistakes in your texts, and if everything's all good, click on Save to save your changes. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.